Hello, kids. It's story time. Once upon a time, in a small town called Thibat, the sun shone brightly over the meadow, making the flowers bloom in a riot of colors. By the riverbank, Lily the ladybug flitted from flower to flower, her wings a blur of red. She hummed a happy tune, thrilled by the warm day. Lily spotted her friend Tommy the turtle slowly making his way to the river. She flew down and landed gently on his shell, and Lily said,
"Hi, Tommy. Isn't it a beautiful day?"
Hello, Lily! It's certainly perfect for an adventure.
An adventure? Where are we going?
How about we explore the other side of the river? I've heard there's a magical garden there.
Oh, yes. But how will we get across? The river looks so wide.
I've been thinking about that. We could use the rainbow bridge.
Rainbow Bridge? What's that?
When the sun shines after a rainbow sometimes appears. It's said that if we believe in our friendship, we can create our own rainbow bridge to cross the river.
Let's try it, Tommy.
Together, they stood at the riverbank, gazing at the sky. Lily closed her eyes and thought about all the fun times they'd had together, how they always helped each other. Tommy did the same, thinking about how much he valued Lily's cheerful company. As they concentrated, the sky started to shimmer. Colors began to arc from one side of the river to the other, forming a beautiful rainbow bridge.
It's working, Tommy! Look!
Our friendship is stronger than we thought.
Hand in hand, Lily and Tommy stepped onto the rainbow bridge. They marveled at the view, the colors reflecting off the water below. When they reached the other side, they found the magical garden, filled with flowers that glowed with their own light. They played and explored all day, discovering new wonders together. As the sun began to set, they returned across the rainbow bridge, knowing it would always be there as long as they believed in their friendship. Lily landed back on Tommy's shell, and he carried her home. They both knew that with a friend by your side, no adventure was too big, and no obstacle too great.
As the stars twinkled overhead and the meadow grew quiet, Lily and Tommy settled in for the night, their hearts filled with the warmth of their